Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by assessing where the glasses feel tight on your face. Check the bridge and measure nose pad spacing near 18 mm to estimate fit. Look behind both ears and note any pressure points on the temples or skull. Inspect hinges and screws for looseness using a small screwdriver. Always clean the frames and pads with soap and water before bending. Work on a flat surface with good light and a soft cloth to protect lenses during adjustments. If nose pads pinch, adjust them first to relieve pressure on the bridge. For metal pads, use pliers wrapped in a soft cloth and bend outward in 1 to 2 mm increments. For plastic frames, warm the bridge with a hairdryer for 10 to 15 seconds to soften the plastic before reshaping. Slowly widen the nose area one small step at a time and test the fit after each change. Stop when the glasses sit comfortably without sliding down your nose. Next, focus on temple arms that press too tightly behind your ears. Warm the temple tips with a hairdryer for 15 to 20 seconds to make the plastic pliable. Gently bend each temple tip outward about 3–5 mm and test the feel by wearing the glasses for a minute. If metal temples pinch, use pliers with a cloth and make very small outward bends. Finally, verify the glasses sit level and that pressure is evenly distributed before finishing adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.